What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. For today, I wanted to do a quick video on this Starbucks Black Crystal Tumbler. Okay. In stores, I'm not sure. Certain locations still might be offering this product here. Otherwise, you might have to order it online. Okay. Now, I have seen that you guys do enjoy this product. Now, I wanted to quickly just do a video on how long the coffee actually stays hot in this thing. So, for today, I'm going to be taking this tumbler on a journey with me as we go throughout my day. I also wanted to make more videos about this product down the line, just to kind of give you guys more videos on this particular product, because there really isn't many of them. Alright, so before we get into it, go ahead and smash the like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's roll that intro. Alright, well, first things first, we have to fill this bad boy up. So that's what we're doing now. Well, now that we have the experiment going, we'll set this off to the side. It's time for me to go get my own coffee.
Brandon?
Yes, sir.
Here.
Thank you very much. Have a good one. But now that we have our coffee, we're gonna go inside and do some editing, and then I'm gonna run some errands. I'll probably do an update about every 2 hours or so to see how hot the coffee actually is. Okay, it's been approximately 2 hours since the last time I've done an update, and let's go ahead and test out the coffee. All right, yeah, it's still pretty damn hot. I'm all done with the editing. I'm gonna go run some errands, and then 2 more hours I will check in with you guys. All right, so we're gonna do the taste test here. And this is 4 hours now. It's 2 o'clock. Still pretty damn hot. So I would say we're good to go for another 2 hours. And I'll keep you guys posted. Now, this is at 6 hours. It is now 4 o'clock. Okay, so it is no longer hot, but it's still very warm. So it's not too bad. So you're looking at 6 hours now. 6 hours of nice, delicious coffee. So I would say probably about an hour from now, it'd be 7 hours that this is going to be ready to be cold. So with that being said, that's a pretty good amount of time to have hot coffee in this amazing limited edition Black Crystal Tumbler by Starbucks. Super sweet design. Only certain stores are carrying it now. I'm sure you can find it online, so if I find it, I will leave a link below for you. And if you guys want any more videos on this type of tumbler or any other tumblers, let me know in the comments below. And that's gonna be it for me, guys. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace. Peace.